Hi, welcome to my presentation on Hughes Home Bakery. My name is Jenna and I'm the sole owner. I started off with this business thinking about things that I really enjoy doing and thinking about things that aren't readily available in the area I live in. I live in Woodinville, Washington, and it's a very busy part of Eastern Washington. We're in the Seattle area, and so there's a lot of tech companies, there's a lot of families, and most people don't have time to cook, they don't have time to bake. And so the business model for the Hughes Home Bakery, I don't have the opportunity at this moment to go out and buy a storefront, but I wanted to put my business out there to offer homemade goods for busy families, individuals, those that enjoy home cooked, home baked meals, breads, pastries, desserts, and then actually deliver the product. And that's what makes it unique, is that they're delivered fresh. They're delivered that day that they're made, shortly after being made, and everything's pulled out of the oven and everything's hot and fresh. The service works for a number of reasons. When you go to the store, you don't know exactly what they've used, you don't know what products they've put into it. A lot of times there's preservatives. So part of the reason why this works, and especially in this area, is that there are healthier options available. They are baked fresh every day. They don't sit on shelves. They are homemade recipes. Items can be requested. We did have opportunities to do gluten-free items instead of wheat items, and then also that there's a convenience in the fact that I personally deliver them. So some of the products that we were doing were mostly breads and pastries. It started out just doing breads and pastries and put desserts on the side, but later on we discovered that there were a lot of people that wanted some of these specialty desserts, whether it was cookies or cinnamon rolls. They wanted those. But those were our three products, and the specialty desserts or the specialty orders were ones that people had requested, and I charged depending on what it was. So the profits, each week, I did this for 7 weeks. I would send out a Google Sheet to those that I knew on my Facebook, those in the local area, and they requested it, submitted a time that they wanted it delivered and on what day. So total I had $24 worth of bread orders. So I had 4 total orders of bread. I had 3 orders of pastries, and then I had 3 orders of specialty desserts. And so my highest profit was actually through the specialty dessert orders. The total amount I have earned from this business was $129 over the 7-week period. After expenses, I took the $20 initially at the beginning of the business, put that into purchasing all of my products, the flour, the sugar, the yeast, and then I did have to take some of my profits and buy other items like butter for some of these specialty items, these specialty desserts. So I made a total of $118. Overall, it was a great success for a 7-week running period. I would definitely do it again. And a lot of the money was actually made through request of cake smash cakes for 1-year-olds, for babies. There was cookies and other desserts that were requested, and those were our number one things. If I were to do it differently, I would take more detailed pictures and more professional pictures of the food that I had baked, so that way I could market it better. I would list every product that I know that I'm comfortable making, instead of just having a general category and then having to play with recipes later on. A problem that I had early on is that like I said, I had done a Google spreadsheet and I didn't have it shared. I would also have a more professional site, and then I would focus more on specialty orders. Reasons to invest is that homemade items aren't as common anymore. People are busy, families are busy. It's more convenient just to go to the store. And so the convenience of the business is that it delivers, and these are homemade items. And so that's a reason to invest, is that people enjoy these items. The gross margin for our baked goods is high. It was very low to purchase the products. And then the amount that we were selling them for put a lot back into our business. And then baked goods, we discovered, especially with desserts, it's an item that is enjoyed almost by everyone, and so we had a larger target market. So all three of these reasons were amazing, and they increased our reason for why other people should invest. Thank you for taking the time, and that's it.